Hey guys, I'm looking for some advice. I've got a 1969 Chris Craft Commander sports cruiser, and I made a custom flybridge roof. But like an idiot, I left my gas cap off on a very, very rainy day, and this roof catches water and then sends it flying off the sides of the boat right towards where the gas cap is. So I just assume I've got maybe a gallon or more of rainwater now in my gas tank. And I thought, oh, hey, I'll just bypass the gas tank and go with a little 5-gallon can and go around to my marina and have them take care of it. Then I realized, hey, I could do one better, and maybe I can use an oil siphon pump and connect it to my fuel line and suck the water out the bottom of the gas tank. So that's what I decided I would try. And I can't believe it, but I could not get a single drop of water to come out through the fuel line into this siphon. I sucked about a gallon of gasoline out, and I don't see any water at all, which has me completely baffled. It looks a little dark at the bottom because that's residual oil, but no water. So I took this gallon and a quart of gas, poured it back into the gas tank, figuring that if there's water in the fuel fill hose, maybe that will get flushed down into the tank and then I'll be able to extract it. I did this probably 3 or 4 times, over a gallon of gasoline each time, and I could not find any water anywhere. And I'm just completely baffled. I don't get it. Then I realized, hey, wait a minute. Maybe the water is off to the side or the back of the tank, and I should rock the boat. That'll get the water moving around, and it'll get sucked up through the pump, and I'll start to see the problem. But no matter how much I rocked the boat, I couldn't get any water at all. So then I decided, well, if I can't get any water to come through the siphon, maybe I can just put a new fuel filter on, which has a small water trap, and I can just monitor it. I will scoot the boat around to the marina that it's going to be stored at and ask them to take a better look, because I am now completely baffled. I'm not going to bother bypassing the fuel system and connecting a 5-gallon gas can. I'm just going to run it over to the marina and hope and assume that no water gets sucked up into the carburetors. I don't know what else to do. Where on earth could the water have gone? I don't understand how there could be no water at all when the gas cap was off for an all-day rain and potentially gallons of water are pouring off the roof right onto that open gas fill. I'm confused. I don't know what to do. I guess maybe I can, I don't know. Whoa!